I'm going to tell y'all the 3 reasons that I chose to promote digital products. Listen, if y'all are looking for a way to make money from home, and you're going to want to know this info. Number 1, I am not tech savvy. I did not want to have to create anything. I didn't want to have to build from the ground up. I've stumbled through websites before. I was not interested in any of that, and I didn't have to be with this. Number 2, when I realized digital products were already done for you, literally, I just take them and sell them. That was a huge realization that I was going to have time. So time is really important to me, and that is why I started this business, to get me time with my husband and with my kids. So number 3, automations. I do not have to work my business 24/7, and yet it is running 24/7. It works all the time. I personally only work 2 to 3 hours a day. I don't have to chase anyone. I don't have to cold message. I don't have to ask friends and family to support me. None of those things. My automated system brings the perfect customer to me who is interested in the product I'm providing. And then my automated emails take care of helping build rapport and connecting with those people. And that's super important. I'm going to give you guys a bonus one too. Number 4, digital products are in super high demand. It is a $1 billion industry, and it is projected to be a $1 trillion industry in the next 3 years. That is huge. There is so much money being spent with digital products. I love that I have a 2 to 3 hour workday. I love that I earn daily pay to my bank account. I do not have to wait for a check to clear. I do not have to wait for somebody to write payroll checks every other week or once a month or whatever it is. I don't have to do any of that. I can do this in a solid chunk of 2 to 3 hours, or I can do it in 10, 15, 30-minute increments, whatever works for my family for the day. And that is a huge blessing because I want that time with my family. If you want the blueprint that I use with all of this step-by-step that includes it all for you, comment yes, and I want to share this with you.